In this video, we're going to take a look at my second wave system review. So let's get into it right after this. Hey, and welcome to my second wave system review. I'm ronnierokksmith with USA Digi and ronnierokksmith.com. And if you're into learning about new marketing products and how to make money online and all of that cool stuff, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss a thing. And be sure to stick around to the end of the video where I'm going to be revealing my exclusive bonuses for this particular offer. Now, the first thing I need you to do is to go ahead and click on that link in the description. It's going to take you to my bonus page right here, and then you can scroll down underneath the timer here and then click on any one of the blue buttons on this page, okay? That's going to lock in your bonuses in the back end of Warrior Plus so that after you check out, then you'll get my bonuses inside of Warrior Plus. And I'm going to show you how to find that towards the end of this video, okay? So let's go ahead and get started with the review. Okay, so we're looking at the sales page here and it reads, it's time to get serious. Let's learn how to make money now. Are you ready to finally get real results? All right, so what is the second wave system all about? So this is going to show you how to use Clickbank and affiliate marketing. So it's geared to beginner marketers, right, that want to do affiliate marketing. And the good thing about this is it's using Clickbank. And with Clickbank, you don't have to wait to get approved for your affiliate links. You just go there, find a product, and get your hop link, right? And then you can start promoting immediately. Just make sure you follow Clickbank's rules and regulations in terms of service, because they easily ban you. But he's going to show you how to do this the right way in this product, right? So again, on the other platforms, right, that you're going to be using, if you want to do affiliate marketing, some of those platforms may require you to send a message to the vendor to get approved, right? And there's ways around that. I teach these stuff in my bonuses, but you know, sometimes you don't get approved. So that's the good thing about using this method here. It's going to show you how to use Clickbank, which you can get started immediately, right? And you don't need a list to do this. You don't have to create videos. So it's going to show you how to do all that stuff in here. So let's keep reading on the sales page. Okay, go ahead and watch the VSL video right here, guys. Read everything on the page. But remember, before you click any buttons on here, make sure you want to lock in your bonuses by going to my bonus page, which is the first link in the video description, and click on any one of my blue buttons, okay, on my bonus page. And that's going to take you back to the sales page where you can click these buttons and check out. And while I'm thinking about it, I'm going to show you once we get to the bonus section to show you how you find your bonuses in Warrior Plus in the back end. I'm going to show you a trick that you can use to be sure that you are cookied to lock in my bonuses instead of someone else's. I get tons of emails all the time saying that, hey, when I got in there, it wasn't your bonuses, it was someone else's. And I have to explain to them, well, you was probably cookied under someone else first. So I'm going to show you how to make sure that you are cookied under my bonuses by hovering over this one spot on the Warrior Plus checkout page, right? And I'm going to show you if it doesn't say my name, then you're going to have to clear your browser history and then come back to my bonus page and then click my buttons to get cookied under me, okay? But I'll show you that later on. Let's continue on the sales page here. Okay, so this is the product by Daud Islam and James Kennedy here. So you can go ahead and read this, tells you a little bit about them. Okay, and here's a sneak peek right here, demo video, which is also my bonus page. Here's some screenshots from the earnings. Okay, so this pretty much tells you what's inside the product, but we'll check out the members area in there as well as the pro members area. And here's the fast action bonuses you're gonna get, guys. So bonus number 1, Ducky Dollars. Bonus number 2, the lockdown formula. Bonus number 3, 6 ways to make money on TikTok. Bonus number 4 is 8 top high ticket programs. So you can use these as well inside of the second wave system that you're gonna be learning. Bonus number 5 is the 7 top niches online. So really cool bonuses there. Okay, and you got your 30-day money back guarantee right here, and that's it, guys. So $12.95, $13 for this right here. Just remember again, before you click any of these buttons, make sure to head down to my bonus page and click this button first so you can be locked into my bonuses. All right, so the next thing we're going to do right now is jump into the members area and see what that looks like. Okay, so we're inside the second wave system members area here. So the first thing is a welcome video. So as you can see, by Daud Islam right here, and you can join the Elite Tigers Group YouTube channel if you want right there. Go ahead and subscribe, and you get a welcome video from James Kennedy as well, and you can check out his YouTube channel here and his Facebook group. In this module, you have the overview of the second wave system here. So he's going to tell you everything about it and how it's going to work. Okay, in the main training module here, you're going to get introduction to the training, a Clickbank overview. You're going to get all the offers that they recommend using, offer 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You're going to have a video on using the resources, and then you're also going to have the video about how to promote this stuff. Okay, the next module is the resources. So you're going to get Animal Kingdom Anarchy. So this is like a big product in here that's going to access all of the products that you're going to be able to promote. You can see that in the demo video if you want to check that out as well. You're going to get some free squeeze pages in here to help build your list, and you're going to get the second wave system special free squeeze pages as well. And then the next module is the conclusion video. Okay, you can access your bonuses in this module here. These are the bonuses, the 5 ones that are mentioned on the sales page. And then of course, if you want to get some of the upgrades that you didn't check out whenever you went through the funnel, I'm going to go over that next after we go over the pro version of the members area, and you'll see what that's all about. And of course, they have some unadvertised bonuses in here you can check out. All right. So let's go ahead now and check out the pro version. If you upgrade to the first upsell, it's going to be the pro version of this, some advanced training. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like. Okay, so we're inside the pro members area here for second wave system. So you got the welcome video here, 6x super solos. All right, so you're going to get 6 super solo ads that you can hook up. It's going to tell you how to get that all set up in there. And then in the next module here, you're going to access the pro versions of all of these products that are listed right here. So pretty cool as well. Okay, then of course you have the conclusion video. So that's what the pro members area looks like. Pretty cool stuff in here as well. So I would recommend upgrading to this. Now let's go ahead now and check out what the actual upsells for this course is. Of course, the front end is the second wave system, right? It's $12.95 plus a $9.95 down sale. So you're going to learn the basic method using Clickbank, as I discussed early on in this video, and you're going to get the top 5 best-selling Clickbank products that you can promote. And he's going to talk about each one in the training, okay? Okay, upsell number 1 is the second wave system pro version, as we just came from the members area, so you know what that looks like. So it's $37 with a $17 down sale, and it's all a big collection of Dodd's previous pro versions of every product. Okay, this is worth over $500 in total, and you're gonna get those 6 super solo ads that you can send to his 16,000 members across his 25 Make Money Online niche sites. All right, so upsell number 2 here is weekly done for you campaigns. This is for $97 with a $47 down sale. So you're gonna get 3 done for you campaigns each and every week. Okay, this includes the bonus page that's done for you with the review video, a product demo, and 10 custom bonuses delivered for you. Okay, this requires Commission Gorilla, as you can see here. So if you don't have Commission Gorilla yet, go ahead and check in my video description for that link. If you use that link and pick up Commission Gorilla using my link, I'm going to go ahead and send you my bonus code where you can use my bonus template as well. Okay, so that's going to help speed up your process. If you want to start doing review videos or articles or blogs, doing the review system, you can use my bonus page. Just plug in your own bonuses and use my template. So that's pretty cool here. And you're going to get all of his codes to start using his as well, right? Okay, so upsell number 3 here. As you can see, I highlighted this because I want to talk about that in a second. So this is for $37 with a $17 down sale. Also, you're going to get reseller rights to, this should be the second wave system. I highlighted this to show you that we use bonuses templates, right? This is a template. We all use templates, and sometimes we forget things here and there. And that's what happened here. He forgot this one from the last product that he just launched, and he just overlooked that, right? So you should be getting license rights to the second wave system, not the Halloween method. So unless he put that in on purpose, but I'm pretty sure that he overlooked that because we all use the templates like that, okay? Just to let you know, upsell number 4 here is Steal Our Traffic. So it's $97 with a $47 down sale. So you're going to be able to put your pixel on Dodd's previous sales pages and take advantage of all of the traffic that comes to that sales page. And the last upsell here is the VIP package. It's for $37 with a $17 down sale. And what you're going to get here is a VIP upgrade worth $64 each to all 25 of Dodd's sites in the Make Money Online niche. Plus, you're going to get get a banner of your choice in the rotator at all 25 of those sites. That's going to stay there on a permanent basis. Okay, so that's going to be it for the upsells. Let's go ahead now and take a look at the bonuses that I have for this product. So this product launched Monday, November 9th at 9 a.m. So it's ending today. I'm a little bit late on this one because today is the 13th and it's going to end tonight at midnight, and it was a 5-day launch. But guys, as long as you see time left on this timer, you can click on my link and it's going to lock in those bonuses. You will get my bonuses, okay? So don't worry about that. Okay, so with the second wave system product, he's going to show you some bunch of different places where you can advertise for free and all kind of cool stuff like that. But you're going to be wanting building your list, and he's going to show you how to do that too with some other training that he's going to talk about in there of one of his previous products. So I wanted to make all these bonuses related to email marketing since that's going to be important, okay? It's important for you to learn that to build that list. So bonus number 1 is email marketing for beginners. So you're going to learn how to decode and dissect an email so that you can emulate the master copywriters. So I'm going to show you how I take one email and we're going to dissect it together so you can learn how to write better emails, okay? So that's what that training is all about. Bonus number 2 is autoresponder sequences and automations. So in this one, I'm going to take you inside my back end of GetResponse, show you how I have sequences set up in there, and show you how I automate some of that stuff using automation, okay? So another cool training there. And bonus number 3 is how to use Aweber's import codes, okay? So if you're using Aweber, this is going to show you how to import those codes and get email marketing sequences that are already done for you. And inside this training, I tell you about a product where you can get one from an established email marketer already and use his import codes to get started immediately. So bonus number 4 is the 5 vendor bonuses that you seen on the sales page. So that's $398, guys, of extra value. If you use my link today, you get all these bonuses, all right? So your next question is probably, how do I find my bonuses? So let me show you how. If you scroll down a little bit further on the bonus page here, you're going to see how to find your bonuses in Warrior Plus or JVZoo. So in this case, it's going to be in Warrior Plus. So if you don't have a Warrior Plus account, go ahead and create one. Once you log into that account, you're going to click on your drop-down tab. Now this is after you check out, okay guys? You go back to your account and you log in. Click on this drop-down tab here and look for purchase history. Click on that. It's going to take you to the next page where you see some links if you ordered many products or if you just ordered one, whatever. But look for the second wave system in here. Click on that link. It's going to take you to step 3. Okay, the green button is going to be to access that product, and then the blue button is where you get my bonuses. Okay, so right now I want to show you, as I talked about earlier, how you can tell that you're going to be cookied into my link instead of someone else's. That way, when you get in Warrior Plus, you know it's going to be my bonuses, right? So let me show you right quick. Okay, so let me show you how to get to this. When you click on my button, it's going to open up the sales page from my bonus page. Then whenever you scroll down and click on any one of the checkout buttons here, then that's going to take you to the checkout page. So once you get on the checkout page, just look on the bottom where it says Powered by Warrior Plus. There's a little person icon, and if you hover your mouse over it, it's going to show my name as the affiliate. So 61748 Ronnie Rokk. So if it doesn't show that, that means you're cookied under someone else's cookie, okay? So if you check out with someone else's name, you're going to get their bonuses in Warrior Plus instead of mine, okay? So to get mine, what you're going to have to do is go in your browser history and clear your cookies. I'm not going to show you how to do that because there's many different browsers and there's different ways for each browser to do that. But you can look it up on Google. It's going to show you a YouTube video and it'll show you step by step, depending on what browser you're using, right? So once you do that, then you go back to my bonus page, click the button. It's going to take you to the sales page. Click that checkout button and then mouse over again and make sure that it's my name, okay? So that's how that works. So I hope this review helps you out. If it did, go ahead and leave me some comments below. Make sure to like and share this video, and go ahead and subscribe if you're not subscribed already if you like these types of videos. So that's going to go ahead and wrap up my review on the second wave system, okay? Now go ahead and check out some free training as well in the description, and you're going to find some advanced training in a webinar if you want to check that out as well. So I hope this video helped you out. I hope that it helped you make an educated decision whether you think this product is a good fit for your business. I'm Ronnie Rokksmith with USA Digi and ronnierokksmith.com. And guys, happy marketing.